Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Dye Tips. Today, I've got an amazing kitchen hack for you. I don't fry eggs in oil anymore. Instead, I use water. That's right, just water. After watching this video, you'll discover a much easier, cleaner, and above all, cheaper way to fry eggs. To get started, add half a cup of regular water to a saucepan at room temperature. Turn on medium heat, and let's wait for the water to start boiling. While we wait, here's a quick tip for identifying spoiled eggs. Grab your cell phone flashlight, bring the egg close, and check the color. If it has an orange hue, it's good. If it has a dark color, it's spoiled. This method is more effective than the water test. Okay, the water is boiling. Now let's make our water-fried eggs even better. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and mix well. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix again. Now, it's time to add the egg. Cover it up and let it cook. If you prefer soft-boiled eggs, cook for 2 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs, go for 4 minutes. Did you know that frying eggs in water not only eliminates the mess but also makes them healthier? Eggs are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. And this method allows you to enjoy all their benefits without the extra calories, cholesterol, and undesirable substances from oil. And there you have it, our egg is ready. Just look at that perfection. Frying eggs in water is a game changer, no mess, healthier, and much cheaper. Give it a try at home. I'm sure you're going to love it. That wraps up today's tip. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this water frying hack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves a good kitchen trick. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!